Welcome to Talks in Teams. So today, Kishyen Rao, as the host of this talk show, is happily going to introduce three of my friends based on whatever topic that we're going to talk today is on ethical hacking. Today, I'm very happy to announce my three of my friends that will be first on the line. Jason Raj. Hi, bro.
Hi Kishan bro.
Hi, bro. How are you? Hope you are doing good. So let's go to the next person. That will be Darven Danraj. Hi,
Hi,
Darwin.
Kishen. Hi.
Hello. So next, the last but not least, the ever handsome and gorgeous Harreesh Krishna Reddy.
Hey Kishen.
Hi. So I think introduction is in already in the great flow. So let's go to the next thing. Okay, today's topic that we're going to talk is mainly about ethical hacking. That is a website got the security brokerage firm, okay, by the hacking attack. They got an hacking attack very badly, okay. So this is a general question. I'm not targeting in any companies or anything. So as the result, the attack, the firm customer are unable to conduct trades for few hours. So trades are their how to say money generating income. Okay, so it's few hours. It's a big thing for them because people who are trading will be continuously trading. So on that day of attack, the stock market was violated very badly, and many customers couldn't buy or sell stocks, and they couldn't make any money basically. So the customers were very unhappy and blaming on the firm because the system is down from that firm, right? So this is that issue that was going on. Okay, so as from that, I want to ask to Darwin, why do you think the reason for this cyber attack?
Okay, for every event that occurs in this world, that has a personal reason to it. For this event, how does this attack took place? An attacker will only launch the attack if he already gathered enough information. Okay, how did he gather the information in this incident? Or how did he create space for an attack to gather information? So the attacker sent a legitimate looking phishing email to the employee. A human is easy to hack than a machine. That is the personal fact, real fact it is. So the attacker decided to call into the stock company and pretend to be interested in stocks and request for an email and replied by sending a file with a name, important stocks to monitor to the employee. So the employee basically downloaded the email and it had malicious code in it. So by it, he took over the entire computer. By getting into one single computer, he just bring damage to the entire firm as we look into this. Okay, in another case, the attacker also able to send ransomware into the file and ask for ransom as well, as you see.
Okay. So let me just process a bit. So I think the malicious code is the main culprit of this whole thing, right? So I mean, like, like malicious codes are not be seen in a naked eyes, but it can take all our informations and all. So next, I would like to shoot a question to Jason, bro. Bro, what do you think it could have been the intention of the attacker? Like, what are the purpose, or like, what is the intention? Why they have to do this?
Okay bro. As usually if an attacker's intention is very simple. Their main aim is to gain money. Money is their main target. But in some cases, in serious cases, their target will be on some companies to crash their market. Mostly an attacker will gain the personal data to for them to sell it on dark web. Let's say let's say for an example, when we upload our IC details in online website and it been detected, the hacker could sell it to a third party, as usually is in dark web. So once our data been sold in dark web, and those who are in dark web can replicate our data. Example, they can recreate a fake IC. So by that, the attacker can get money. So these are mostly the basics are money. Money is their main target. That's the point.
So the intention is mainly on money and what is our like what they can generate from our data basically, right? So like
Yes.
once they have put into the dark web, anyone can access it and anyone can do anything with it. So that was a great information, bro. Thank you so much. And next, what is the impact caused by this attack? Okay, let me ask this from the only one who's left. That will be Harish. Yep, let's go.
Kishan, thanks. When you're having a company and when it is really attacked, you will really have many impacts. For example, in 2019, a Norwegian hydro aluminium company was struck with ransomware. They attacked both office and production. The damage was among nearly $4 million, and the recovery time took 4 months. So what I'm telling is, when your company is really attacked, they really have impacts. For example, loss of productivity and continuity. When your company has been attacked, the attack will bring your reputation damage. It usually bring loss of trust to your customer and partners. It will tarnish your brand's image. An attack is serves business effectively. Next is legal and liability damage. Companies has to consider the risk of civil liability. When your organization releases legal, when it is attacked, your customers and partners legal information may be distributed in social media and they may legally sue you. So the legal team should be prepared to answer and to face the consequences. And next, the main impact is financial loss. Financial loss is a big crisis for a company. The company loses all the profit they have made. And there are few types of financial loss, like profit loss and company reputation, legal and investigation, and finally productivity and recovery. So that really brings many damage to a company when they have been attacked. Thank you, Kishan.
Thank you so much, Harish, bro. So I think there's a few things that will cause impact. Okay, so this is not the end, and we have more questions. So next, I would like to ask to Jason, bro, again, how to overcome or reduce impact caused by the attack, bro.
Thanks, Kishan. So as we know, cyber attacks are increasing day by day, and many companies been victim for the attacks. The main reason of all these attacks is lack of security measurements in their companies. So most of the hackers they take advantage of their of the company's lack of security information measures to attack and crash their markets. So there are few suggestions that can reduce the risk of attack. First, the company should tighten their current security system. The system and the software in their company should follow the guidelines for their security access and control. Some are simple as turning off the unnecessary service. Second, companies should raise awareness among their employees. This is the main suggestion as I will prefer, because in a company the employees have to know what they should and should not. So they need to be sharp and alert during the security issues, especially they should watch for phishing scams through email that might appear as normal. So they have to know, they must have to know how to overcome it or not to be a victim for it. Third, they should create a good security policy, because a security policy will have all those detailing things of about securities in their companies, basically on information security. So this can protect their personal data, files, their important translations, all those things. Then the the next thing is to encrypt their data, because for current situation encryption is very important. They should encrypt each and every data in their company, and if can they should encrypt their PCs and desktop monitors too. Okay, as for large companies, the one big suggestion that is by hiring professional hackers, or in other words ethical hackers, because ethical hackers will use the same technique to bypass a system defense as a malicious hacker. But ethical hackers will not take advantage of their faults in their system, and they will try to fix them for their companies they are working for. So in overall they can improve their security level. So this can minimize their security attacks in futures. That's all.
Okay, bro. Thank you so much. That was clear enough, I think. So, to how to overcome the impact. And next, I would like to ask to Darwin. What is the law that address this issue?
Okay, basically, a law should reduce the crime in the society. Cyber law is part of all legal system, deals with internet system and etc. For example, this crime committed by the hacker above can be convicted by Computer Crimes Act 1997. This law is protection against the misuses of computer and computer devices. Okay, as you see, unauthorized use of programs, illegal transmission of data or messages over computer, and hacking and cracking of computer system are able to accuse under Digital Signature Act 1997 as well. This law secures electronic communications so that nobody can eavesdrop, intercept, or tamper with secure and safe electronic communication device. As this incident, the attacker did intercept and gain access to the device. The attacker can be charged by this Digital Signature Act 1997 and Computer Crimes Act 1997 as well. As Kishyen?
Okay, thank you. So I think this has almost come to the end, and one thing I think so, there's a weakness in our law. There is from, I could say, from that error of human errors, Internet of Things, vendors and third-party business, ransomware, and the hacking attempts, the backup issues, cyber hygiene, because all of this cybercrime is becoming a business. It has been a business, and it can make a lot of profit. Okay, and these are the weakness of the law. So when money comes in and pays in, everything changes. There's a lot of issues because industry is more reliant on the system, because it is the prime attack for the extortion. So from here, I think there's a lot of weakness from our law itself. So law has to move way better to get a clear image of what has to be done, what is needed to be done, what are the updates, and all those things I have to be done. So, and I would like to conclude this thing with whatever that we have spoken today. I think everything is we have got into a very clear method of what we should, and from here I think law is main important thing, and this will there's a whole hard work and future vision might sink cause of the cyber attack and lead bankruptcy, because invest fund for the cybersecurity research and protect your business is very important thing, I think. And we can conclude from here. And I would like to thank each and everyone, Harreesh, Jason, and Darwin, for joining into this talk show. I think there will be more on whatever that on IT or technical stuff that we have to go in. So thank you guys, and till the next episode of Talk in Teams. See y'all, and sign out from me, Kishyen, Jason, Darwin, and Harreesh. Thank you. Bye.